Good morning, students. Last class we are discussed about hydrogen compound. So hydrogen compound H2O2 is the very important compound. Next H2O2. So number 1 H2O, number 2 H2O2. H2O means already we know that hydrogen monoxide and H2O2. So H2O2 means hydrogen peroxide. Okay, so today topic we are discuss about H2O2, hydrogen peroxide. So commonly how it is prepared? What is the use of hydrogen peroxide? Okay, now preparation of H2O2. So preparation of H2O2. So H2O2 means hydrogen peroxide. How it is prepared? Suppose for example we have taken BaO2 8H2O. So barium peroxide octahydrate. So H2O means just like hydrate. How many water molecules have there? 8. 8 means octahydrate. So barium peroxide octahydrate. It is reacts with H2SO4. H2SO4 means sulfuric acid. Okay, to form this reaction, first of all, BaSO4. Okay, so here Ba, barium, and SO4, barium sulfate, BaSO4. Okay, next to further, suppose for example, remaining H2 and O2 to form H2O2. So hydrogen peroxide. Next to further 8H2O to form water molecules. So 8H2O. So it is one of the best preparation to hydrogen peroxide. Okay, listen. So barium peroxide octahydrate. It is reacts with sulfuric acid H2SO4 to form BaSO4 barium sulfate. Next H2O2 hydrogen peroxide. Next further 8H2O water molecules. So it is one of the best preparation of hydrogen peroxide. Next further second preparation. So electrolysis of H2SO4 sulfuric acid. Okay, electrolysis of sulfuric acid. When we have taken H2SO4 sulfuric acid, electricity is passed through the sulfuric acid, so it is converted to two ions. Okay, when electricity is passed through the sulfuric acid H2SO4 to form two types of ions, that is one cation, second one anion. Okay, so that is the, suppose how many hydrogen atoms are there? 4. So first 2H plus. So 2H plus means hydrogen ion. Okay, or cation. Next to further H2S2O8. Okay, so or suppose 2HSO4 minus 2. Okay, so overall to form two ions, that is 2H plus ions, and second one 2HSO4 minus ion. One positive ion, another one negative ion. Okay, so overall 4 hydrogens, 2 hydrogens, 2 hydrogens. Over 2H, 4 hydrogens, and 2S and 248 oxygen, 248 oxygens. Okay, suppose for example the 2HSO4 minus hydrogen sulfate ion, 2HSO4 minus ion, hydrogen sulfate ion, it is to give H2S2O8, H2 2H, H2 2S, S2 2 4 8 oxygens. So H2 S2O8 and it is give the 2 electrons. Okay, to give the 2 electrons. So this reaction is called de-electronation reaction. So overall released the electrons. Released the electrons means de-electronation. Okay, so H2S2O8 means peroxy disulfuric acid. Peroxy disulfuric acid. What is the formula of peroxy disulfuric acid? H2S2O8. Okay, H2S2O8 is a peroxy disulfuric acid. Okay, so overall when this H2S2O8 peroxy disulfuric acid, so it is reacts with the H2 water molecules. Okay, it is reacts with the water molecules. Okay, so to form in this reaction H2SO4 and H2O. Overall, listen, H2S2O8 peroxy disulfuric acid. This peroxy disulfuric acid is reacts with the water molecules. To form in this reaction H2SO4 sulfuric acid and next H2O2 hydrogen peroxide. So it is also another very important reaction to preparation of hydrogen peroxide. Okay, when we have taken sulfuric acid, electricity is passed through the sulfuric acid, it is converted to two ions, that is 2H plus ions and second one 2HSO4 minus ions. 2HSO4 minus ions means just like hydrogen sulfate ions. That hydrogen sulfate ions to form H2S2O8 peroxy disulfuric acid. So remaining it is give the 2 electrons. That reaction is called de-electronation reaction. Next further this H2S2O8 is reacts with the water molecules. To form in this reaction H2SO4 sulfuric acid and second one H2O2 hydrogen peroxide. So it is another very important preparation of hydrogen peroxide. So commonly hydrogen peroxide, what is the use of hydrogen peroxide? So use of hydrogen peroxide. Commonly hydrogen peroxide is a liquid. Okay, hydrogen peroxide is a liquid and a colorless compound. So commonly this hydrogen peroxide is mainly used in different types. It is mainly used for cleaning the wounds, okay, or cuts. Okay, cleaning the wounds or cuts, and it is mainly used for to preparation of antiseptic components. Okay, antiseptic medicines. Okay, so mainly this H2O2 is mainly used for to purification of paper or cloth. Okay, to purification of paper or cloth. Just like it is mainly used for a bleaching purpose. Bleaching. What is the meaning of bleaching? Suppose for example, color compounds is converted to colorless compounds in the presence of H2O2. Okay, color compounds. Suppose for example, dirty cloths or papers. So we have removed the impurities on the surface of cloth or paper. We have used H2O2, hydrogen peroxide. So overall, it is mainly used for bleaching purpose. Bleaching purpose means color compounds is converted to colorless compounds. Okay, so it is that is another use of H2O2, hydrogen peroxide. Okay, so what is the use of hydrogen peroxide? It is mainly used for to preparation of antiseptic medicines. It is mainly used for cleaning of wounds, cuts, and it is mainly used for a bleaching purpose. Bleaching means just like color compounds is converted to colorless compounds. So in this process we have used H2O2, hydrogen peroxide. Okay, so it is the use of H2O2. Next, last topic, just like use of hydrogen. So uses of hydrogen, simply we have called dihydrogen. Okay, H2 means dihydrogen. So overall, when combustion of hydrogen to give large quantity of energy. Okay, when we have combustion of dihydrogen to give large quantity of energy. And second one, so this dihydrogen is give more energy than petrol. Okay, that is minimum 3 times. Okay, how many times? 3 times. Okay, so the dihydrogen is give more energy than petrol. That is how many times? 3 times. Okay, next further, so commonly this dihydrogen is nowadays, this dihydrogen is mainly used in different types of vehicles. Okay, mainly 4-wheeler vehicles or different types of automobile fuels. Just like that is the combination of CNG gas and dihydrogen. When the combination of CNG gas, CNG means compressed natural gas. Okay, compressed natural gas. The compressed natural gas and hydrogen, the combination of these two components is were used in different types of mainly 4-wheeler vehicles. Okay, 4-wheeler vehicles. And next one, this hydrogen is mainly used in rockets. Okay, rockets. So it is mainly used in rockets. And this dihydrogen is used in different types of fuel cells. Okay, so fuel cells is to give the energy. So that type of fuel cells is we have used which compound? Dihydrogen compound. Okay, so it is we are stored very easily. So commonly that purpose we have used different types of tanks. The tanks is prepared by some alloys. So which type of alloy? Suppose titanium TiH2, titanium TiH2, titanium hydride, and magnesium MgH2, magnesium hydride. So this type of compounds is used for to preparation of tanks. The tanks is mainly used for which purpose? Okay, so storing purpose. So which component? Hydrogen. Okay, so that hydrogen compound is very easily for storing purpose. That purpose we are using different types of tanks. The tanks is prepared by Titan alloys. Okay, alloys means the combination of two or more than metals. Okay, so titanium hydride, magnesium hydride. So this type of components can used for just like to preparation of different types of tanks. Okay, so they are all use of hydrogen. So at the same time, hydrogen is mainly used for to preparation of water gas also. Water gas. This water gas is also called syngas or synthetic gas. Okay, water gas is also called syngas or synthetic gas. So the combination of carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas is called syngas or synthetic gas. So it is also one of the best fuel. So it is one of the best gaseous fuel. Okay, so in this preparation also we have used hydrogen gas. Okay, so use of hydrogen gas. Hydrogen, when combination of hydrogen to give more energy or large quantity of energy, this hydrogen is give more energy compared with than petrol. So how many times? 3 times. And at the same time, the combination of CNG gas and dihydrogen gas is mainly used in different types of four-wheeler vehicles nowadays. And next, it is mainly used in rockets, and it is used in different types of fuel cells. And dihydrogen is mainly used into preparation of water gas. The combination of carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas is called water gas or syngas or synthetic gas. Okay, so it is a preparation of use of hydrogen. Okay, so next topic we have discussed further class. Okay.